Hi there. Here what I'm going to show is how to find cubic root of a perfect cube number without using a calculator. So let's see how we can do it. We have to do a little bit of background work. I have drawn two lines here. On these two lines I'm going to write some numbers starting with number 1 ending with number 10. So I'm going to write a number line for numbers, integers, and I'm going to cube them and write it on this line. 1 to the power 3 is 1, 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So in between I will write all the other cubes: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 2 to the power 3 is 8, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 4 64, 5 125, 6 216, 7 343, 8 512, 9 to the power 3 729, finally 1000. So let's look at an interesting pattern here. So when I cube 1, I got 1. When I cube, just skip 2 and 3, I'll come to that one later. When I cube 4, I got 64. Last digit is 4. 5, 125. 6, 216. 7 and 8 I skip, and 9, this one, 7 to 9. 10, of course, 0. So the pattern is that if I cube numbers up to, in fact I want these numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. So I get the same number as the end, 0. The last digit is same. And the rest is that if I cube 2, I got 8. Basically here also we can remember easily. That means if I take away 8 from 10, I get 2. Basically this is like when I add this one, if I got 8, take away 8 from 10, I get 2. 7, 3. Take away 3 from 10, I get 7. Take away 2 from 8, so 10 take away 2, you get 8. So it's easy to remember. That means I can write another set of numbers down here just to remember. If I cube 2, I should get 8. If I cube 3, I should get 7. If I cube 7, I should get 3. If I cube 8, I should get 2. So basically if you look at the cubic last digit of a cube number, if it was 2, that means I have used 8 to get that cube number. That means cubic root of a number ending with 2 should have number 8 as the last digit. So let's see an example, which very simple to understand if I use an example. So let me select a color. I select red color, so I'll get a number 1331, cubic root of this number. So please look at how I wrote it. I wrote triples starting from the right, 331, and put a comma and put 1. So I should be getting 2 numbers here as the answer, the cubic root. So look at the first digit here. So if I look at the first digit, it is actually closer to 1. So in the number line, so you have to use the number line and find out what is the closest number to 1. So it's 1. So you put 1 here. So 331 ending with 1. That means obviously you would have used only 1 to get this one. That means if you cube 1, only when you cube 1 you get 1 at the end. So that means your answer should be 11. So that means 11 times 11 times 11 should be equal to 1331. Simple as that. So let's write a big number here. Let's try 274, 625. So can you guess the cubic root of this number? So first we can check 274. What is 274? You go along this number line, stop whenever it crosses this one. Basically 274 is here, so it is less than 343. That means the first number should be 6. And 625 ending with 5, that means the last number should be 5. Simple as that. So basically it's, let's try another one. So cubic root of, say, we'll get another number which is a little bit different now, 5832. so what will be your answer? So obviously 5 is less than 8, greater than 1, that means 1 should be your first digit. What will be your second digit? 832, you ending with 2. So if it is ending with 2, we use the second set of numbers. That means you have 2 at the end. That means you have used 8 to get that number. That means your answer should be 8 here. So let's try another big number. Say let's try 185, 193 cubic root. Guess very fast. 185, in between these two numbers it should be 5. First digit is 5. What is the last digit? 3. So 3 means 7. One more last number. So let's try how. 941, 192, which is equal to how much? Guess. I think before I write 2 squares you can guess it, because 941 is somewhere here. 9, last digit is 2, it should be 8. 98. Very well, thank you.